What should people know about online hate? I think the important thing is that online hate is widespread. It has basically been there since the internet started. And with the internet growing, it's only gotten worse. I think that's the most pressing issue at the moment. Why do you think online hate is so common? I think that's the case because it's easy to do and it's unregulated. The freedom of speech that people have on the internet and the anonymity that the internet provides little to no hindrance for online hate to be spread around. Who are more likely to give and receive online hate? Well, the more time you spend on the internet, the higher the chances of that happening, basically. But even people who are minding their own business and who practically spend no time on the internet can be a victim too. What I'm saying is that we are all capable of online hate. Me, you, everyone you know, everyone you don't know. Yes. But in terms of who is more likely to give online hate, it's probably, well, I imagine those are people who have something to say but have no real life situation or person that they could direct their anger to. And yet they have their phones and the internet, so they could just direct it to someone who they think is deserving of you know, their hate. As for who is more likely to receive online hate, I imagine it would be content creators who have lots of audiences, and not just content creators, even your traditional celebrities who is nowadays using the internet as their other platform. Yeah, those are the people who are likely to be parties to online hate. When is online hate considered out of control? I mean, a few bad comments here and there are pretty normal. If you're a content creator like me, it's part of what you signed up for. It's considered out of control if it causes you to be dysfunctional, mainly if it comes in large amounts, right? And that normally doesn't happen, but I assume that the more audiences you have, the more commonplace it gets. It's just sad and unfortunate. But yeah, it's out of control if it affects your daily life because it shouldn't. Most people on the internet you don't know personally, and what they have to say or what they think should not affect you. But if you are someone who, say for example, like a content creator, yeah, I keep circling back to that because I am one. If your livelihood is based on making the internet people happy, then it could get out of control in that regard. Where can you ask for help regarding online hate? See, that's the thing. Where do you go to ask for help? Probably the internet, where the same mean people are. But it's probably, well, probably the best place is probably offline, not on the internet. Outside of those, what to do if you get online hate videos? Um, I don't know. I don't know. If I receive online hate, I don't know if I could do much outside of talking to people that I trust. I don't know, honestly. Where do you ask for help? I want to know. Put it in the comments if you have someone like that or something like that that you go to when you receive online hate. I want to know. I really don't know. What can I do about online hate? Well, the easiest thing is to block people who spread online hate. Um, well, definitely call it out first. Like, don't direct. The, if you're a content creator, don't ask your followers to target the the one who targeted you, but call it out. Yeah, emphasize the bad behavior, not the person. Block that person, hide it from your community, and maybe just don't do it because you get what you give. I don't know. Treat people the way you want to be treated. You don't like reading bad comments, then don't leave bad comments. I think it's that plain and simple, really. There's a place to hold like actual conversations. And if you're angry at someone, you direct your anger towards the person you have problems with, and not people on the internet who, well, clearly doesn't have n- anything to do with you. That's it. And that's all our questions for today. Thank you to our channel members for supporting the channel. And if you want to keep this conversation going, feel free to do so in the comments. And also, if you had a good time, consider subscribing because I work hard on this content. Bye.